Hey, welcome back. Today I will show you how to install and run ChromeOS on Windows with a virtual machine. ChromeOS is the operating system for Chromebooks. Firstly, open the first link in the description. You should see this page. Click download, then download anyway. Save this to a location you can remember later. This will take a while to download. We will come back to it once it is finished downloading. While it's downloading, go to the second link in the description. This is where you can download VMware Workstation Player. This is free software. From my experience, VirtualBox doesn't work with ChromeOS. VMware Player seems to be the best option for running ChromeOS. Scroll down and click download now. This may take a minute or two to download. Once it is finished downloading, open the file. Accept the UAC prompt. It may take a few moments to open. Be patient. As you can see here, I can't install VMware Workstation 17 Player because I have VMware Workstation Pro installed. For the rest of the tutorial, I will be using VMware Player 16, which I already have installed. It is very similar to 17 in terms of the usability. Once you have installed and run VMware Player, you will see this window. Click Open a virtual machine. Navigate to where you downloaded the first file earlier. If it is finished downloading, you will see it here. Choose the file and click Open. Name the virtual machine and click Import. This will take a few moments. Once it is done, you will see your new VM. Click Edit. You can leave the settings as they are, but I will change some to improve performance. Now launch the virtual machine. I have this issue when starting a VM. I believe this is not a very common issue, but if you do get this, restart VMware as administrator. Once the VM launches, you should see this welcome screen. Go through these pages, leaving everything as they are. When it says checking for updates, press the escape key on your keyboard to skip. Now you need to sign in with a Google account. As you can see, we have booted into ChromeOS. I would recommend changing the resolution of the display. To do this, open Settings, then Device, then Displays. Change the resolution to something close to your monitor resolution. For some reason there is no 1920 by 1080, so I will choose the closest option that isn't too big for my display. Find the one that fits best. I will choose 1680 by 1050. You are now running ChromeOS on a Windows device. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like this video and consider subscribing. Bye.